Welcome to EPA's Water Quality Exchange video series. Tutorial number 1, Introduction to WQX. This tutorial will introduce you to EPA's data systems for uploading, storing, and publishing your ambient water quality monitoring data. This tutorial will cover the WQX Water Quality Exchange, the Water Quality Portal, or WQP, the Water Quality Exchange Web Interface, or WQX Web, and the Central Data Exchange, or CDX. Organizations collecting water quality monitoring data which need or would like to make their data available to EPA and the public can upload data through the Water Quality Exchange, or WQX. EPA's Water Quality Exchange accepts multiple types of monitoring data, like physical chemical measurements, fish tissue concentrations, biological data, and habitat data. You will often hear the term WQX, although people are not always referring to the same thing. They can be referencing either the system and the database that house the ambient water quality data, or they can be referencing the format that the data needs to be in order to fit into this database. For the purposes of this video series, we will refer to the Water Quality Exchange data system as WQX. While WQX is a pathway to submit water quality monitoring data to EPA, the way for anyone to retrieve data from EPA is through the Water Quality Portal. The Water Quality Portal, commonly referred to as the WQP, is a central location for accessing water monitoring data from multiple agencies and is a cooperative service sponsored by the United States Geological Survey, the EPA, and the National Water Quality Monitoring Council. It is an excellent resource and can be found at waterqualitydata.us. EPA provides data partners with two alternative methods to submit their data: an automated computer-to-computer connection via something called the Exchange Network, or a manual process through the WQX Web Application User Interface. WQX is affiliated with EPA's National Communication, Data, and Services Platform, known as the Exchange Network. States, tribes, territories, and other partners can share data with EPA securely over the internet through the Exchange Network. This video series will focus almost entirely on how to submit data through WQX Web. For more information on how to utilize the Exchange Network for data submissions, see our website in the link below and click on Exchange Network Resources for a Custom Upload. The WQX Web application contains a user interface where you can upload and submit data to the WQX database. When utilizing WQX Web, you can do one of two things: either input your data into the WQX template and use pre-existing import configurations, or you can keep your data in the format it is currently in, incorporate all the required data elements into your data set, and create a custom import configuration. The option you choose depends on many factors. Another tutorial in the WQX video series will address how to format your data for WQX Web submission. Users gain access to WQX Web through EPA's Central Data Exchange. You, as the data submitter, need to establish an account with login credentials, create an organization ID, or ensure one already exists, and contact WQX Help Desk to gain access to submit data for that organization. Another tutorial in the WQX series will address how to establish a CDX account. To summarize what we just presented, EPA maintains a database of water quality monitoring data. EPA, in collaboration with other federal agencies, states, and tribes, make WQX and other water quality monitoring data available through the Water Quality Portal. There are two main ways to upload data to WQX. That is through the Exchange Network or through WQX Web. Data providers need to establish an account in the Central Data Exchange, CDX, to be able to submit data to WQX Web. This concludes our tutorial. If you have further questions or comments, please feel free to contact the help desk at wqx@epa.gov.